To set appliance beeping so notification are silent in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then the settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Select hearing enhancements, and then tap show notifications. Select settings, and then tap show notification are active if you turn on show notification, and if turn off, tap show notification are closed. And then turn off left transcript show notification. If off, tap show notification switch until blue to turn on, and then scroll down left transcript and show notification screen. Tap appliance beeping, and then turn on appliance beeping notification. Tap show notification switch until blue, and then select silent. Now appliance beeping so notification set as silent. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.